Hi, my name is Teresa Edwards. I'm a ranger out here at Government Canyon State Natural Area, where we are currently standing in one of our big savanna restoration areas. If you've never seen a savanna before, this is it. This is the savanna. It is an amazing ecosystem that's full of all sorts of different plants and animals that you don't find in any other ecosystem on Earth. This space is really, really special. Savannas are actually an endangered habitat type across the United States. They are beautiful, but they're also really easy to lose. So some of the ways that we lose savanna ecosystems is this land, again, great for a grassland, but also nice and flat and really great for somebody to come in and build their houses on or let their cows graze on. So a lot of our native savannas in San Antonio and Texas have disappeared into housing developments or become cattle farms and cattle pastures. Here, we are trying to restore just a little bit of one of those native savanna ecosystems so that the species that call savannas home have somewhere to live. Now, the biggest way that savanna ecosystems were historically maintained was through fire. So naturally, lightning strikes or, Indians setting the fields on fire would have caused fire to just rip through a savanna ecosystem. That fire would have kept all of these little woody plants from growing. They would have, provided space for all of these native grasses to keep getting sun and keep growing up out of the ground. Now, we don't really like it when fire happens unexpectedly nearby. So back in the 1900s, we started suppressing fire in our ecosystems. That meant that we basically, anytime a fire started, we put it out. We didn't let fire go through the ecosystem. And when that happened, all of these little woodies that were in these savanna areas were able to grow and thrive and flourish, and they became trees. And those trees shaded out all of these beautiful little native grasses and converted what was once a savanna ecosystem into ash juniper, oak juniper woodland areas, which is what you see across a lot of San Antonio. We wanted to reclaim some of those spaces so that all of the species that call savannas home would have a place to live. So what we did is we came in about 10 years ago and we started hand removing trees from these areas. As the project got going, we got some actual equipment, and the equipment came through and helped us remove some of the forest from the area so that we could release all of these native grasses that were just hiding in the seed bank, waiting for the trees to go away and for the light of the sun to come down, shine on them, and let them grow up into these beautiful native grasses that you can see behind me. These are little blue stem right here, which is just a wonderful native grass. We have a lot of different species out here, and you can come see it here at Government Canyon State Natural Area. All of our front country hiking areas are right in this savanna area. So if you ever want to come see or check out a native grassland savanna, come out to Government Canyon.